Are you tired of struggling with basic tools that just don't cut it anymore? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a hobbyist, or a weekend warrior looking to upgrade your gear, today's video is packed with tools and gadgets that will transform the way you work. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Ultrasonic Cleaner 60W. This compact yet powerful digital ultrasonic cleaner is designed to tackle grime and dirt on intricate items like jewelry, glasses, jade, and small metal tools. With 60W ultrasonic power and a 40 kHz frequency, it cleans deeply without abrasion. Its degassing function eliminates bubbles that get in the way of cleaning, and the stainless steel 304 tank ensures durability. Perfect for watchmakers, jewelers, and collectors. Number 7. Armrest Mouse Pad. Boost your desk ergonomics with this attachable wrist support pad. Designed to reduce pressure on your shoulders and neck during long computer sessions, this armrest pad is adjustable, sturdy, and made from durable ABS plastic. It easily attaches to desks up to 1.9 inches thick and offers optimal support while typing or gaming. A game changer for office workers and gamers alike. Number 6. Plasma Arc Lighter. Say goodbye to traditional flame-based lighters with this sleek USB rechargeable plasma arc lighter. Flameless, windproof, and completely safe, it's perfect for lighting candles, stoves, barbecue grills, or even cigarettes in any weather. Built with LED indicators and a flexible neck, it's a must-have for every modern kitchen or camping kit. Number 5. Soldering Gun Tool. The 60W internal heating soldering gun from NICRON combines durability, precision, and safety. It features an ergonomic handle, 900M series tip, adjustable temperature, and an innovative side door for quick heating core replacement. Ideal for electronics repair, circuit building, and any delicate soldering task. Comes with a built-in tin wire holder for one-handed use and efficiency. Number 4. NICRON Twist Flashlight. This mini flashlight is a rugged and reliable companion for outdoor adventures and home maintenance. With 600 lumens of brightness for lighting modes and a rotating 90 degrees head, it's incredibly versatile. It's IP65 water-resistant, magnetic, shock-resistant, and supports dual-fuel operation. Pocket-sized and tough, it's your go-to light for all conditions. Number 3. Hook Tier Machine. Fishing just got easier with this automatic electric hook tier. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it makes tying fast, secure knots effortless and consistent. Designed for lake fishing, it works with barbed hooks and is crafted from high-durability ABS plastic. Store it neatly in its included case and never waste time tying hooks manually again. Number 2. Mini Belt Sander. For sharpening, grinding, and polishing small tools, the mini polishing machine is a powerhouse. It features 7-speed adjustment, dual polishing surfaces, and safety covers. Crafted from stainless steel, it's built for longevity. Ideal for DIYers working on wood, plastic, or metal. Comes with belts of varying grit sizes for versatile grinding. Number 1. Sandblasting Spray Gun. Whether you're removing rust, paint, or cleaning parts, this gravity-fed sandblasting gun delivers high performance at 6,000 RPM. With a 600 cubic centimeters tank, adjustable nozzle, and pressure support up to 150 psi, it connects easily to any air compressor. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for automotive restoration, tool cleaning, and heavy-duty surface prep. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.